Hello everybody, welcome to 11th standard accountancy class, unit 4 ledger accounts, part 2. இந்த செஷனில் நம்ம ஒரு மாடல் சம் ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ண போகிறோம். The question goes like this: journalize the following transaction and post them to ledger. ஸோ நம்ம ஜேர்னல் என்ட்ரிஸும் எழுதணும், லெஜர் அக்கௌண்ட்ஸில் போஸ்டிங் பண்ணணும். Year 2016, month January. So January 1st started business with cash 10,000. January 5th paid into bank 5,000. January 7th purchased goods from Ram for cash 1,000. So first let us write the journal entries. To write the journal entries we have to draw the format. First column date column, particulars column, ELF column, debit rupees, credit rupees. The first question is 2016 January 1 started business with cash 10,000. From the question it is clear that a person is going to start a business. First identify the two accounts in this transaction. There is an account called cash. The word cash is given, so cash account. Started business means you are investing money in the business. So there is a capital investment. So two accounts, cash account and capital account. Now write the date in the date column 2016, year first, month and date, January 1. So in this transaction it is clearly understood cash comes into the business. So debit what comes in. So cash account is debited and then write the amount in the debit column. Okay. Capital account is there. Capital account is a personal account. Here the person whoever is giving capital is a giver. So credit the giver. So to capital account, write the amount in the credit column. Write the narration, cash invested in the business. The second transaction question is January 5th paid into bank 5,000. Now here you have to identify the two accounts paid into bank. So there is a account called bank. When you pay into bank you are paying cash. Now there are two accounts, bank account and cash account. Write the date and month in the date column. Now here when you pay cash into the bank, bank is a receiver. Bank வந்து உன் பணத்தை வாங்குறாங்க. So debit the receiver. Bank account is debited. Next, what goes out from your hand? Cash goes out from your hand. Okay. Now bank account, debit account amount போட்டுக்கோங்க. Now credit what goes out? Cash goes out from the hand. So you have to give credit to cash account and then write in the amount column 5,000 rupees. Write the narration paid into bank. Next is that third transaction. January 7th purchase goods from Ram for cash, that is 1,000 rupees. So here the word purchase is given and you are purchasing goods for cash. Person name is given, Ram is given and cash also is given. But you purchase something and you are giving cash. So you have to identify the two accounts. There is one account called purchase account, another account called cash account. Okay. Now write the date in the date column, month and date. Now which account must be debited? Purchase account. Purchase account, when you purchase goods comes into the business. So debit what comes in. Okay. Otherwise also purchase account is always a debit account. So write purchase account debited. Write the amount in the debit column 1,000 rupees. So you are purchasing for cash. So cash goes out from your hand. So credit what goes out. So give a credit to cash account and write the amount in the amount column, then write the narration. Purchase goods for cash. So likewise, now you have journalized the entries. All the three transactions are journalized in the journal book. Next, we want to open the ledger book for posting these accounts in the ledger. Before that, we have to identify what are all the ledger accounts to be opened. So we have to open cash account, capital account, bank account, purchase account. Okay, the 4 account தான் நம்ம first identify பண்ணணும் open பண்ணுறதுக்கு. So next step we are going to do the posting. For that purpose, let us take the first transaction. January 1st started business with cash. அதோட மாடல் ஜேர்னல் என்ட்ரியை நம்ம எடுத்துக்கலாம் ரஃபாக. So the journal entry is cash account debited to capital account. Okay, so cash account ஓட debit side வந்து left hand side இருக்கு, credit side வந்து right hand side இருக்கு. Now we want to draw the format. Let us write the heading in the debit side, date, particulars, JF, amount, rupees. In the credit side, the same heading, date, particulars, JF, amount and rupees. Now how to do the postings? Okay, for that purpose, which account you have opened, that account you want to select. Okay, cash account. Now see what is done for cash. Now cash account is debited, isn't it not? Cash account is debited. So in cash account, select the debit side. In cash account, select the debit side and then you want to start posting. You want to do the posting. How will you post? Cash account la cash வராது. So opposite என்ன entry இருக்கோ அதுதான் நம்ம entry பண்ணணும். That is the credit entryயை நம்ம எழுத போகிறோம். So capital account தான் நீங்கள் entry பண்ணணும். So first write the date and the year, 2016, month and date. So now you want to write the opposite entry for cash, that is the credit entry to capital. Okay, write the amount in the amount column, 10,000. Okay, so ஒரு டிரான்சாக்ஷனுக்கு 2 அக்கௌண்ட் இருக்குது. ஸோ நம்ம 2 போஸ்டிங்ஸ் பண்ணணும். Cash account we have completed. Now we have to open capital account and do the postings. So now let us open the capital account. So once again I have written the format for you. I mean the journal entries for you to identify it. Next, you are writing the heading, ledger accounts, debit side, credit side. The name of the account will be capital account. Format for that. So you are going to write date, particulars, JF and then amount rupees. Credit side date, particulars, JF, amount rupees you have writing. Now which account you are going to write? Capital account. Now see what has happened to capital account. It is debited or credited. Capital account is credited. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to keep in the credit side of the capital account. Okay, so credit side you want to do the postings. So when you do the posting in the credit side, what you have to do, you want to write the debit entry. So that's what we are going to do now. So write the year, month, same date, and when you write in the credit side, you want to begin by using the word by. So by cash account. Okay, so capital account la capital வராது. So அதோட opposite entry cash entry பண்ணும். Amount is 10,000. Okay, so this is your capital account. You got me? Okay, now first transaction is over. First transaction la 2 ledger account open பண்ணியிருக்கோம். 2 ledger accountsலையும் postings பண்ணியாச்சு. Next second transaction எப்படி post பண்ணலான்னு நம்ம இப்போ பார்க்க போகிறோம். Second transaction, that is paid into bank. What is the amount? 5,000. For this we have the journal entry, bank account and cash account. Okay, so 2 accounts we want to open and 2 times we want to do the posting. one for bank account and another for cash account. Now open the ledger accounts. For bank account, debit side, credit side. Draw the format, date, particulars, JF, amount rupees. Credit side la date, particulars, JF, amount rupees. Okay. Now which account you are writing? You are going to write now bank account. So bank account enna irukku, debit aayirukku. Okay. So keep the hand in the debit side and then you want to write the credit entry, okay, from the journal. Now you are going to start posting year 2016, month January 5th. Since you are writing the debit side, begin with 2 and then write to cash account, that is credit entry you want to write the amount 5,000. Now bank account posting is over. Next you want to go to the cash account. Okay, in cash account already first transaction is over, so to capital account is already written there. Now we want to write the second entry alone. So cash account la cash varadhu, so nama bank transaction எழுதணும். January 5th. So by bank account the amount is 5,000. Okay. So cash accounting enna irukku, cash account வந்து credit ஆயிருக்கு. So credit side நம்ம entry பண்ணணும். Write the date and year, and since it is credit side you want to begin with the word by and then you want to write the debit account, that is bank account. Okay. Okay. So next let us see the third journal entry. Third journal entry, January 7th, purchase goods from Ram for cash. So this is the third entry. Okay, third entry we want to write the journal. So what is the journal? Purchase to cash. It is already written. For the sake of posting I have taken it here. Now you want to open two accounts. One is purchase account, another one is cash account. Now ledger accounts, purchase account, debit side, credit side. Draw the format, write the content, date, particulars, JF, amount column. Similarly in the credit side, date, particulars, JF and amount. Okay. Now which account we want to do the posting? Purchase account. Now see what is done with the purchase account. Purchase account is debited. So keep the hand in the debit side and then you want to start the posting. So which you will do? You want to write the date in the date column, year, month, day. Particulars column, what you want to do? You want to start with 2 and then you want to write the credit account, that is cash account. Write the amount in the amount column. Okay. So purchase account posting is over. Next we want to do the postings for cash account. Okay, coming back to cash account, already 2 transaction is posted in cash account, it is ready. Now the third transaction also we want to do it. Okay. So once again you see, now cash account is there, cash account is credited. So keep the hand in the credit side and then you want to do the posting, that is you want to write purchase account ன்னு எழுதணும். அப்போ ஒரு month and date போட்டுக்கோங்க. By purchase account write the amount. Okay. So now you should make yourself clear that all the 3 transactions, 2 accounts are posted. Next balancing. First posting முடிச்சிட்டோம். இப்போ balancing பண்ண போகிறோம். Balancingல first cash account நம்ம balance பண்ண போகிறோம். Balancing வந்து when you do the balance, see the debit side total, that is 10,000. See the credit side total of a account, that is 6,000. Okay, இது ரெண்டுக்கும் difference கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Okay, so let us work out what is the difference. So you are having 10,000 and then from this you want to minus 6,000. Okay, so when you do this, what you will get? You get 4,000, isn't it not? So this 4,000 is a difference. இந்த டிஃப்ரென்ஸை நம்ம எங்கே எழுதுவோம்? இந்த டிஃப்ரென்ஸை நம்ம எப்போவுமே எந்த சைடு லெஸ் டோட்டல் இருக்கோ அந்த சைடு எழுதணும். ஸோ லெஸ் டோட்டல் வந்து கிரெடிட் சைடு இருக்குது. ஸோ we want to write in the less total side 4,000. How will you write? Means this is the balancing figure. That means உன் கையில் 10,000 rupees இருக்குது. அதிலிருந்து பேங்க்கில் 5,000 நீ டெபாசிட் பண்ணிவிட்ட 1,000 rupeesக்கு பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணியிருக்க. ஸோ பேலன்ஸ் உன் 6,000 நீ செலவு பண்ணியிருக்க. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு உன் கையிலேருந்து வெளியே போயிடுச்சு. ஸோ 10,000ல் 6,000 போயிடுச்சுன்னா remaining 4,000 you are having. So this is the balance cash that is available in your hand. So that means this can be called as closing cash balance. Okay. So when you want to balance the account, you have to follow this procedure what I am going to do now. For that purpose I am going to erase this. This is just a rough work for you. So now I am going to do the postings. So whenever you want to post it, the balance will be written on the side which has less total, and it will be written at the end of the month. Okay, monthல last dateல entry பண்ணணும். அப்போ ஜான்வரியோட last date என்ன? January 31st. Okay, then you want to write by balance carry down. So this is the balance which you are having. So we are writing it as by balance carry down. What is the amount? 4,000. Okay, now you see here debit side 10,000, credit side also 10,000. Now you want to tally this first. Okay, so draw lines on both the sides and then tally the accounts. Tally the accounts na ரெண்டு சைடும் ஒரே டோட்டல் பண்ணி எழுதணும். இப்போ ஒரு லைன் போட்டிங்கன்னா அக்கௌண்ட்டை க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட்டு திஸ் மந்த் நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, கேஷ் அக்கௌண்ட்டை நம்ம க்ளோஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். இப்போ நம்ம கையில் கேஷ் பேலன்ஸ் எவ்வளோ இருக்குது? 4,000 rupees நம்ம கையில் கேஷ் பேலன்ஸ் இருக்குது. இந்த கேஷ் பேலன்ஸை நெக்ஸ்ட்டு மந்த் நம்ம ஓப்பனிங் பேலன்ஸாக கொண்டு வரணும். எதுக்கு கொண்டு வரோம்? நெக்ஸ்ட் மந்த் உள்ள எக்ஸ்பென்சஸை நம்ம மீட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ ப்ரீவியஸ் மந்தோட க்ளோசிங் பேலன்ஸை நெக்ஸ்ட் மந்த் ஓப்பனிங் பேலன்ஸாக கொண்டு வரணும். இப்போ ஒரு பாயிண்ட்டு நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, எந்த சைடு க்ளோசிங் பேலன்ஸ் இருக்கோ அதோட ஆப்போசிட் சைடில் தான் நம்ம ஓப்பனிங் பேலன்ஸை கொண்டு வரணும். ஸோ இங்கே கிரெடிட் சைட் க்ளோசிங் பேலன்ஸ் இருக்குது 4,000. அப்போது ஓப்பனிங் பேலன்ஸ் நம்ம டெபிட் சைடு எழுதணும். ஓகே, இப்போ க்ளோசிங் பேலன்ஸை நம்ம மந்த் எண்டில் எழுதணும். அப்போது ஓப்பனிங் பேலன்ஸ் அப்படின்னா மந்த் பிகினிங்கில் எழுதணும். ஸோ ஆஃப்டர் ஜான்வரி the next month is February. So February 1st we want to bring down the balance and show it in the debit side. So February 1st, to balance brought down, the amount is 4,000 rupees. Now you have to note one point here. இப்போ கேஷ் அக்கௌண்ட்டில் நமக்கு எவ்வளோ பேலன்ஸ் இருக்குது? 4,000. கேஷ் அக்கௌண்ட்டோட ஃபேவரபிள் பேலன்ஸ் என்ன? டெபிட் பேலன்ஸ். ஸோ கரெக்டாக ஓப்பனிங் பேலன்ஸ், அதாவது ப்ராட் டவுன் பேலன்ஸ் 4,000 நம்ம கையில் ஃபேவரபிளாக இருக்குது. தட் இஸ் எக்ஸஸ் பணம் ஷார்ட்டேஜாக இல்லாமல் எக்ஸஸ் பணமாகவே நம்ம கையில் இருக்குது. இப்போ நம்ம போட்டிருக்க என்ட்ரி கரெக்டு. ஸோ கேஷ் பேலன்ஸ் ஆல்வேஸ் ஷோஸ் டெபிட் பேலன்ஸ் and that we got. Next we are going to close the capital account. இப்போ கேபிட்டல் அக்கௌண்ட்டில் கிரெடிட் சைட் 10,000 இருக்குது. ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட்டு நம்ம அக்கௌண்ட்ஸை டேலி பண்ணணும். ஸோ கிரெடிட் சைட் 10,000னா டெபிட் சைட் 10,000 கொண்டு வரணும். எப்படி கொண்டு வருவோம்? இந்த 10,000 நம்ம க்ளோசிங் பேலன்ஸாக கேரி பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ ஆப்போசிட் சைட் டேட் போட்டுக்கோங்க, 2016 January 31st போட்டுக்கோங்க. டூ பேலன்ஸ் கேரி டவுன். இந்த 10,000 நம்ம ஆப்போசிட் சைட் கேரி பண்ணிவிட்டு ரெண்டு பக்கமும் டேலி பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ ரைட் த அமௌண்ட் 10,000. இப்போ பாருங்கள், டெபிட் சைட் 10,000, கிரெடிட் சைட் 10,000 டேலி ஆயிடுச்சு. இப்போ க்ளோஸ் பண்ணுறோம் அக்கௌண்ட்ஸை. ட்ரா லைன்ஸ் அண்ட் ரைட் த டோட்டல் on both the sides, close the account, and next you have to bring down the balance for the next month, isn't it? So now January 31st, there is a closing carry down balance of 10,000 rupees in capital account. You have to bring down the balance. So carry down balance is in the debit side. So opposite to that, opposite side you want to write the bring down balance. So February 1st, buy balance brought down 10,000. Now you can counter check. Capital account always shows a credit balance. So now you got the credit balance in the credit side 10,000. Next is that bank account. Now see the bank account, debit side you have a cash of 5,000 rupees. Now you want to tally the account first, then close the account, then you have to bring down the balance. These three steps you want to do. For tallying the account, what you have to do? You have to carry this amount to the opposite side. So you have to use the month last date. So January 31st, buy balance, carry down the same amount 5,000. Now both the sides also the amount is same. Now you want to total the amount and close the account. This is the procedure for totaling and closing the account. Now you want to bring down the balance. So carry down credit side இருக்கு, அப்போ brought down வந்து debit side வரும். Debit side February 1st, to balance brought down 5,000 rupees. So எந்த அமௌண்ட்டை நீங்கள் கேரி பண்ணுறீங்களோ அதே அமௌண்ட்டை தான் நீங்கள் brought down பண்ணணும். Now bank account is closed. Next, purchase account. Purchase account, debit side there is 1,000 rupees. Credit side no amount. So now you want to tally the account. For that purpose you want to carry this 1,000 rupees to the credit side. Last date of the month 2016 January 31st, buy balance carry down same amount 1,000. Now both the sides also you are having 1,000 rupees. So now you want to tally the accounts. Draw lines, write the total and then close the accounts. Okay, the last step is that you have to bring down the balance. So carry down balance is in the credit side, so brought down balance will come in the opposite side, that is debit side. So February 1st, to balance brought down 1,000 rupees. Okay, so this is how you want to close the accounts. So all the accounts are closed now. So from this sum we learned how to journalize the transaction, simultaneously how to open the ledger accounts we have learned. We have also learned how to posting, how to tally the account, how to close the account and how to bring down the balance. Hope you understood this sum. Thank you. Next section, part 3. I will see you in the next section. Bye bye.